Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and we are back at CVS for the second week in a row, and I plan on doing these continuously until I can't no more for whatever reason or another. But yeah, this week is going to be April 26th through May 2nd. And yeah, I've circled the things that has interested me. But yeah, we're going to see what I see and see what kind of deals and coupons we can find. Alright, this is the first page, and as you see, I underlined this. I want 3 of them, and 3 of them is going to come up to $5.97, and it's $1.99 each for post honey bunches of oats, or you can see what it says. And I put T3 for transaction 3. I'm going to do 3 different transactions on this haul of mine. But yeah, I'm going to go and I'm going to get 3 of these particular honey, cereals basically. And then let's see what's on the second page. The only thing that interested me was this, and my baby loves her Doritos, so I'm going to get 2 of the original Doritos, 2 for $5, or $3.99 each, which I'm getting 2, so it's going to be $5. That's also going to go on transaction 3. I do it on the last because I have some extra bucks I'm going to use for these. That's why I get the ones that doesn't have extra bucks on transaction 3 or the last transaction. That way I can use my extra bucks on them. So this is just sale stuff right here. And let's see, flip side, beauty. This is the one that really interests me right here. So I did a poll, and okay, so you get any Covergirl cosmetics, spend 15, get 6 extra bucks. You can only do 1, offer limited 1. And on the app, you can download the CVS app, and they have extra coupons and deals. It's called Deals and Rewards. Click on that, and you'll have a bunch of coupons you can add to your card. And I believe it's 1 of face and 1 of eye, and it's $3 each. So I'm going to get $6 off with coupons from that app. Plus, I'm going to get 6 extra bucks from that. And I did a voting poll. So that's transaction 1. So I'm going to get the extra bucks. There is 14 votes on my voting poll on the YouTube community voting poll. And 50% of you said the True Blend, I should get the True Blend serving sculpt palette in 510, and then 29% of you said I should get the Get in Line liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to get those 2 products. It's going to be around 23, what's that say, 48, and I'll get 6 extra bucks. But that was before. Okay, I'll get also $6 off because of the coupon app. And plus, I think there's another coupon on the CVS app that spends so much on cosmetics, you get so much extra bucks, plus spend so much, you get $3 off or something like that on that app too. But we'll see that later. Then I saw this Kiss artificial nails, spend 10, get 3 extra bucks. This is going on transaction 1 also, and those are going to be for $10.99. As you see, the ones I have on right now is these from last week. And if you want to see my past CVS coupon deals and shop with me kind of videos, it'll be in the description box below. But yeah, spend 10, get 3 extra bucks, and it's $10.99 for the ones I'm going to get, which is not those. It's going to be, I'll show you in a minute. And then I'm going to get the any Ardell false eyelashes, and I forgot the ones I'm going to get, but they're going for $6.79, and I'm going to get 3 extra bucks for that. Also transaction 1. And then I saw this. Transaction 2 is going to be the Shea Moisture Hair Care. I'm going to get probably 1 shampoo and 2 conditioner. because I put times 3, so I'm going to get 3 of them to make it out to be $34.47. But then I have to be careful and have to go over, because I do get a 20% discount being an employee here. But spend 25, get $7, so I'll get 7 extra bucks, and that's transaction 2. And I need to get a newspaper. It looks like $5 on 2. Wow, I need to get a newspaper today. So I might not can do this in the 30 minutes I have left before I have to clock in. I was going to get this, but unfortunately we are out of stock, so skip this. And I think that's it for what appealed to me for my life at this time on the deals at CVS. So I'm going to go and get a newspaper now. Alright, so I just got the Fruity Pebbles, Apple Jacks, and the Fruit Loops. And they are going for $1.99 each. Then I got 2 of these Dorito Nacho Cheese Chips, and they are going for 2 for $5. Alright, the next thing I got was the Covergirl True Blend Serving Sculpt Palette in 510, and the Get In Line Liquid Eyeliner. And the palette was for $12.99, and the eyeliner is going for $13.49. But like I said, I have a few coupons plus extra bucks coming. The lashes I'm going to get is these Ardell Studio Effect lashes, Ardell Wispies, and they are going for $16.79. But I am, wait, what's that? Oh, that's not the right side. They don't have the signs up yet, but I will be getting, what was it? Spend 10 and get 3 extra bucks. And this is 16, so I'll get 3 extra bucks. Alright. Now these are the next ones I'm getting, and it is the Kiss Impress Couture Collection in 79984. These are the ones I have on. These are the ones I'm getting. And the sign's not up yet, but I will be getting 3 extra bucks from that. Alright, and here's the Shea Moisture collection. It's to spend 25 on Shea Moisture hair care, get 7 extra bucks. So I am going to get, let's see, what is this? I don't know what to get. I don't think I want coconut oil. Ooh, I want this. Cannabis sedative, I don't know, hemp seed oil, the shampoo and conditioner, and then I need one more conditioner. And let's see, which one do I want as a conditioner? Conditioner. Let's see. There's so many options. I guess I'll just go with this one. And that's pretty much it. Let's go check out. Alright, I'm so sorry for this very short video, but I have to go in like less than 2 minutes. But this is my first receipt. Here's the Covergirl products, the Kiss and the Ardells. So I got $6.25 off of the Get In Line liner, $4 eyeliner. Anyways, you can see the receipt. I got a $10 discount for my employee discount. There was some coupon, like the, what do you call it? The app coupon for $3, and there was my extra bucks that I had waiting on me because I have a care pass, plus I spend a lot on beauty all the time, so it adds up. So for all 4 of those, that would have been what, over $40 easily. $46, over $46, probably around 50 bucks and I only spent $16. And what? I saved 71%. I saved $34.86 on those products. See, transaction 2. Here is the shampoo. 2 of the shampoo and 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner of the Shea Moisture. And I got a employee discount of $7.20. There was a CVS coupon on there, $4 off of 18. That's from the CVS app. And my subtotal was $15.25. And I saved $23.20, which is 64% savings value. And then the third transaction was the Doritos, Kellogg's, and Post cereals and Doritos. I had a $7 extra buck on there. I only paid $5.07, which left I saved $19 on those, which is 83% savings. Alright, that is another shop with me at CVS. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye! Hey everyone, I am on break at work. And I decided to do the math. And so I saved a total of, out of all 3 transactions, I saved $77.54. I spent $36.46 for all of this that you saw in the haul today. Only $36.46. And I do believe, let's see, I don't even know, let's see. 1 second. Let me see. Okay, so if I was to have bought the 2 Covergirl products at retail value alone, that would have been $24 by itself. $24 by itself if I would have bought just the Covergirl eyeliner and the sculpting palette. Which, this whole haul with the lashes, the nails, the Covergirl products, the cereal, the shampoo, conditioner, all of that, I only spent $36.46. And the total retail value before everything was $114.